G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. A fun fact for you. Did you know that every single minute, 300 hours is being uploaded to YouTube? That's every single minute, 300 hours of video, right? Here's another one. 5 billion videos every day on YouTube are being watched, right? Incredible, right? Here's another one. 3.2 billion hours a month is watched on YouTube. So the point of this, guys, is to show you there is literally an abundance of information out there. There is so much information. In fact, I call it information overload because there's literally so much information. Sometimes people get paralyzed, right? They don't really know what to do or what to believe, right? There is literally so much information out there. You can learn for free. It's like there are people out there teaching Amazon training. There are people who spend a lot of time putting these courses together, so dissecting the information so it's easy for you guys to put together, right? Or easy for you to understand. You can learn for free, right? But let me ask you a question. How do you learn? Do you learn by sitting down and logging into Members Area, watching 200 videos showing you how to set up an Amazon business? Is that the best way to learn? Would you trust yourself to actually go through a training area and watching 200, maybe 300 videos showing you how to set up a business? Or would you prefer someone actually doing it for you? Would you prefer to sort of watch over someone's shoulder, build your products for you? All right, because that's exactly what I do. I set up products on Amazon. I build people's Amazon businesses for them. You know, I not only help them find products, I help them find quality suppliers, but I also list products. I've listed products like 10, 20, 30 products for an individual person on Amazon for them, right? But let me ask you a question. Would you prefer to go through this training, 200, 300 videos trying to do it yourself, or would you prefer to have someone do it properly from the beginning for you, all right? And that way you can spend more time, you know, doing the things that you want to do, or doing the things that you know, going down the beach, spending more time with your family, your friends, your loved ones, right? Going on holidays. Because guys, it's kind of like building a house in a way, right? Imagine you're trying to build your own house and someone just drops all these, drops these like IKEA pallets there on your housing, you know, on this block of land, and you have to build it yourself, right? Would you trust yourself to build a proper house, right? Probably not, right? The roof might fall in, or you know, a wall will fall down, or windows will be breaking, right? It'll be all over the shop, right? Well, that's why it's important to bring in a builder, right? An actual builder to do it properly. And that's what I've been doing, guys, for a long time now. I've been involved in the import-export industry for about 10 years now, and I help people get started on Amazon. So guys, if you're interested in doing this, if you're interested in getting started with Amazon, maybe building a product from scratch, maybe getting someone to come in and actually build your Amazon store for you and list 10, 20, maybe 30 different products, connect with our team members today. The number's on the screen right here. Give us a call our office. We're based in Sydney. Connect with our team members, have a discussion with them, and let us basically guide you. Let us set you up on Amazon. Thanks for joining me, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. Have an awesome day, and I wish you the best on your Amazon journey. Bye-bye for now.